Good morning, this is a Sportage 2-litre diesel all-wheels drive 6-speed manual, finished in white, in lovely condition. It's in good condition. It's a 13 plate. Got a great specification on it. It's the front fog lights there, alloy wheels are all in good condition. It's a leather interior. See all the leathers in really good condition there. 6-speed manual gearbox, quick close, central lock in there on the passenger side. Rear privacy glass for the passengers. As they hardly been sat in the rear seats there. You've got the centre come down, which has got a couple of cup holders there as well. Your Isofix on the outside of the rear seats. Electric windows in there. You've also got heated rear seats as well. Child-proof locks. Okay, rear parking sensors on the back there. Inside it's a huge boot in there. It's massive. The back seats go down to make it into an estate car if you want to. You've also got the panoramic roof, glass sunroof in there, which I'll show you it working in a second. That's a huge amount of room in there, huge boot. These are great family cars or load carriers. So it's really good condition all the way around. Electric windows there, central door locking. You've also got quick close door mirrors there. So you just press that button and it closes back and forwards. Petrol flap. Lever there. There's your lock for your four-wheel drive. The car's done 99,903 miles. Your cruise control. There's your stereo and your Bluetooth controls there. Let's say 6-speed manual. There's your USB. There's your heated controls there. There's your navigation. There we go, map. Press map. There we go. There you go. You've also got your radio, media, that says for USB and everything like that. You've also got a CD player. There. Okay. And so your heated front seats. Little cubby hole there. Coffee cup holders, coffee or drink holders. Okay. Also you've got your sunroof. Goes back nice and smoothly. Okay, and all you do is press that and it comes forward. Okay, and it also tilts up if you need it to. Alright, so that's a great feature to have in a car, a sunroof. It makes the car lighter inside. Okay, let me just show you under the bonnet a second. There's the last alloy wheel. As I say, it's the all-wheel drive model. So it's a 2-litre CRD engine, diesel engine, with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Okay, so that is a Kia Sportage 2-litre diesel, 6-speed manual. We can arrange finance. We are FCA registered, so just give us a call, give us all your details and we can organise things for you. We do distance selling as well, so if you find that you live a distance away, we can supply it to you. We can tell you all the terms and conditions. Just give us a call, 01276 451026 or 07831 112390. I say just give us a call, let us know what your situation is, and we can go from there. Thank you very much for looking at this video. We really appreciate it, and hopefully speak to you soon. Bye bye. And we will take part exchange. Thank you. Bye bye.